Hi guys, it's me, CtheDivaE up in your building. We're at the Croydon Park Hotel. Let's do a room tour.
Welcome.
This is my friend Liana. She'll be doing the room tour for us. So we're in room
512 at the Croydon Park Hotel.
Yes, ma'am.
East Croydon, London. Back here. So over to your left, you're going to see our tea section, our milks, hot chocolate, yummy. It's quite a petite station. And over to your left, this is where we hang our jackets, our coats, hair dryer, heater. This is
Extra towels.
extra towels. Voila. My favorite spot in the whole floor.
Her favorite spot in the whole floor. Bathtub.
We'll be editing some videos very shortly. Tonight after Lion King.
La Zingonia Magiti Baba.
Continue to follow me in our luxurious
Sweet.
suite. We're going to show you now the view. I'm going to reveal it as well spectacular.
Okay.
But actually, you can see how high we are. We are on the 5th floor.
Downtown Croydon.
Our 2 office chairs. I love that big, beautiful lamp. Good, and there you have it. And we just ordered up some room service. So we're gonna have our chicken tenders, chunky fries, orange juice. I'm having a chicken wrap, chunky fries, orange juice.
I mean, because why be in a hotel and not order room service, right? Bougie, anointed and bougie.
I want to show you one more thing as well. Slippers, which you get at all hotels.
Yes.
Right? And
Robes, which you get at all hotels.
and which we cannot take away.
Unless you want to put it on your
Oh
card.
no, sorry, it's not going there. That's about it. It's quite comfortable, I must say.
What would you...
It's cozy.
It's clean.
It's clean, yeah.
What would you give it out of 10?
So far, I would give it, I'll give it a 7.
Why 7?
Yeah, because of the view. I really like views, you know, but I like view, and to have one painting on one side and the other painting not on the other side, I like to see balance. Even
So,
if the painting is in the middle, that's fine. But it
the
must have
room
balance.
doesn't have proper feng shui. Okay, guys, that's it. Say after me. From me to you, much love.
From me to you, much love.
From my home to yours, much love.
From my home to yours, much love.
Keep looking beautiful, divas and dudes.
Keep looking beautiful, divas and dudes.
Because I know I do.
Because I know I
Bye.
Cindy!
Oh, but I'm dealing with my object tracking right
You
now.
can do that in a minute.